All right, y'all. Welcome in. It is Wednesday, September 1st. Rabbit. On this year of our Lord 2021. What's going on in the market? Nothing. I didn't miss anything. I talked for 2.5 hours at lunch about all kinds of garbage, gossip, you name it, and not a thing about the market because I didn't have to because the market is dead. 0.15% up today. Look at this anemic opening range. We bounced right out of it, but now we are back in the 24 to the 30, 6-point opening range. Unbelievable. So now we've gone under the cash open today. So we're right here. We got some pivot points. We're below VWAP. The alligator's opening up. We got the hourly mid band that's been going up. Now it'll be threatening to go down. So what's this market going to do? Looks like the AD's gone down. Market goes back up. Look at this. We got some volume coming in at the end of the day. Whoa! Is it mostly green or mostly red? It's like it's mostly red, doesn't it? Look at that. That entire candle is mostly red. So what do we think we're going to happen in the last half hour? We may drop just a bit. Wouldn't that be fun? And we'll get to experience that together. Wouldn't it be cool if we stay all the way to the end and open it, the closing bell? I don't think we've ever done that before. All right, y'all, check your calendar. It is the first of the new month, which means volume profile is done. And it's sad that it's done because look at this. Consolidation on the SPY around the 50% line comes up. What does it do? Look at this, y'all. Is that pretty? Now, these lines don't work at all, y'all. Look at that. Bounce, boom, down to here. Back up, back here. Consolidation, bounce off from it. Isn't that amazing? God, that's good. Who taught us how to do this stuff? That old Blake guy did, didn't he? But alas, let's take it off. We will see you later. Little draw in, and we will draw some more. All right, so what are we going to do? Well, we're going to go to our clean chart, which has my monkey bars. We don't want snap, we want ES. All right, there we go. Here's the new month. So we're going to take the month. This is the day, what is it? Day 30 minute, 10 day, or day 3 months. 1 day, 3 months. That's the chart. All right, so let's draw it. If we can remember how. So you're going to take the month of August and you're going to draw from the bottom to the top. Our little spickety specks. And I right click and I hit edit property. And I apologize, y'all, my kids are home. Y'all know how unruly those children are. So the low was 43, 47, 75, 43, 47, 43, 47 point, what was it? 43, 47.75. Oh, it's hot in here. Hey, who took my darn fan out of here? Daddy's burning up. And the high, because I was running to get in here, is 45, 42, 25, 45, 42.25. I see how you do. I see what you do. And so we're going to go right out here. Hit the OK button. Ta-da! Now, what do? Well, we change this to the retracement, from the extension to the retracement, or to the extension, I guess. We go from the retracement, to the extension. I get them mixed up all the time. So you start at this little 50% line right there. We're going to draw that down to the middle of that little green line. We're going to try to place it middle in there. And then where do we go? We go down to the 100 line. Right there. Hey, whoever's got Daddy's little fan, bring it up here. It is hot. Hey, Beth, I think it's somewhere down there. Well, just bring somebody up here. You love me, but Beth, you can't say but when you say love. You're supposed to say, I love you, Bobby Gaines. You don't sit there and say, I love you, but. Girl, Beth. Right, so let's move that 100. I'm getting all frustrated. I am so hot. 100 down to the 200. Ta-da, like that. And then we're going to bring the 0 down to the start of where we started drawing that little booby right there. So we'll go grab it right there. We'll lay it right on top of that little red line. Look at that. Ta-da. Hit the escape key. Oh, Lord. Somebody bring Daddy's fan. All right, now we're going to right click on this puppy. We'll go edit properties. And we're going to call this AUG for September. Jojo, where's my fan? It's on my right beside my bed over there. All right, bring it here. Ooh, it's hot. AUG for Sep. And then we're going to set color for all of our things to be green because we call this the big green monster. Ta-da! So now we go back to volume profile and see what we got for this month. Ta-da! Ow. Well, that's spy, sorry. I started saying, man, that looked good, didn't it? It called the top on that. Oh, Lord Jesus, let me plug this up, Jojo. Jojo, get out from my computer. We're trying to trade a little bit, trying to make some lunch money back. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, thank you, Jesus. All right, let me put that back there. Hope it won't be too loud for y'all. All right, so now we're on the ES. Let's see what's going on with the ES. So now we're seeing the consolidation on ES happening around the 50% line. What did I say? Yesterday, I said we're going up to the 50% line. Now our lines may have changed a little bit. We're maybe a little bit below the 20 period moving average. We're a little bit above the 50. We're definitely below the 200. Point of control is here. Incidentally, the point of control is at the lower end of fair value. So this is fairly priced. And where are we going? Probably to the 45.75. I believe it's going to happen probably this week. Y'all keep watching. If it don't, we're going to pull down to this area right here. And there's a chance we're going to pull down here. So you mean, Bobby, you're telling me the market's either going to go up or down? Yes, I am. That is exactly what I'm going to tell you. So then we got to say, okay, business as usual, baby. So what do we do now? We got to go to our little friend, Screwdriver. Let's open that up. See if that little pesky thing is working. Let's see, where's that Screwdriver? Ta-da! So we'll go to skew. We'll go closest to 30 days, which will be this 10-1. So hit the assign button for 10-1 and wait for it to populate. So we're looking at the option that's going for about 5 1/4 is 520 is about 28 points out of the money. Oh, we moved up just a little bit, didn't we? Just a little bit. So what this means is nothing. It means that we are normally priced. We are centrally located at about that 31 line. And if this gets under, 25, we may get ready for the ultimate drop that may come. But right now it's business as usual. The closer this number, the lower this number gets, the closer to the money that spread is. It's going for 520. And that means the more imminent the drop is going to be. But right now, this tells me it is business as usual. Hey, y'all quiet down a little bit, y'all. Drive me nuts. So what do we do now? So business as usual. So that means if it's business as usual, we've got to go shoot a fish. I've only got one working order. Wow, we got stuff filling all over the place. All right, we'll show you that later. So we got to go shoot a fish in a barrel. How do we do that? We put on the micros. Someone said, I don't understand the micros. Why? It's just like anything else, futures related. Well, we do have span margin that does explode in the event of a big drop, but I like it. I like it a lot. It doesn't scare me. 58 days out, we want to go closest to 60 days without going over, and we go to the 10% probability of being in the money. If you can shoot a fish with a 90% probability of success, blow away, baby. So let's get us, what do you say? We'll fill right there, get us 18 1/4. We're going to work it for 1850 and see if we get a little bit on the greedy side and get filled. Boom, baby. $400 in buying power, and we are filled. Good. So what do? We go to unallocated, and we say we're going to send that little sucker right there to our, we're going to send that little sucker to our micro short puts. There we go. Ta-da! Now it looks like I got something. No, that expired yesterday. So we're up $567 on the year. I'm not about to say we're almost at all-time highs for the year. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say it at all. So let's see what we got going on here. Now we've got our VIX hedge. Dang it. Ain't working because the market ain't dropping. We got our 111 trade up $100. We've got our SPY calendar down, dang it, because the market never does what it's supposed to do. We got a broken wing butterfly on the put side up $45. Nice. We got another 111 trade up 55%. See what that short put is. It's at 42%. Another SPY calendar should be down just a little. We got broken wing butterfly puts that are up. 9 days to go. Nice. Broken wing butterfly puts are down $5. So we're just kind of looking at stuff. Just take a little bit. So we put on a strangle. How we doing on our y'all? Yeah, we up $6.25 on that strangle we put on yesterday. Look at us. Space trip trade is up a little. We don't care about those. Those are just hedges. Yes, other space trip trade, just just sitting there. Our micro short puts. Look at this. Anything that we could close at around 50%. I don't see it. We're up $212 on all those little trades. Shooting fish in the barrel. How's our AIM doing today? There you go, baby. $249. I like it. Where else we at? AIM. There's our loans. There's another 111. And a little bit after harvest. Let's see. Black Swan hedge complete. That's not really true, is it? No, because that's just loans. I really didn't name that. Let's see. I need to go over here and go rename the group, and we'll say after harvest loans. After harvest loans. Yes, I want to do that, or I wouldn't have told you to do that. All right, what is this? 111 after harvest. Oh my gosh, that thing's gone. We close that out. What is that? What is this? It's gone too. Wow, I had stuff expiring. All right, so we'll delete that. Oh, I had stuff expiring. Hey, this is expired too. Look at this. Uh-oh, some of my loans have expired. Look at that. Oh, I got to take that into account into our spreadsheet. So we'll delete that group. Jeez. All right, what we got here? This one is gone. And you can tell they're gone because the little sprocket is not there, the little wheel. So you delete those. Yes, I want to do it. Where did I get to? BSA shorts only. Look at that. Nicey, nicey, nicey. Silver. How's my silver trade doing? How does Papa do it? $49. Broken wing butterfly up 89%. When's this thing expire? 2 days. So on the put side, you could close it. Greedy. BSH9 short puts. Look at that, up $202. Sweet. You could close those if you wanted to. Here's a broken wing butterfly up 71%. I like it a lot. Call spread is expired, it looks like. So we can delete that. That was probably a full loser. Didn't even check it. All right, just let it go. All right, so we got a fifth 111. Look at there. That's already up $90. Sweet. Got a calendar that ain't doing worth the teeth. Well, we're breaking even on it. And the hood, we're up $75 on the day. Now we're only down $260. I knew I was onto something. And unallocated, let's see what we got. Unallocated. That has expired. So we got ES trades that have popped on while we were sleeping. All right, so let's do this. So we bought 5 of these little puppies, and it's the 2600. So let's go find where they are. So that would be 2600. So this is the 2650. So I bet that's it, right? The rest of I have shorts only. BSH9 short puts. That's the 25 something another. Yeah. So these need to go with the BSH short only. Yeah. Let's put them in there. So we're going to move this. Make sure it's good, huh? So we're going to move it, right click it, move to group, BSH, what did I say? 8 shorts only. Unbelievable. My little fan. Here we go. BSH shorts only. Ta-da! Sweet Louise. All right, let's see if it's over there now. And then we need to change the name of it, right? So now we got 5 in there. So we need to call this a BSH shorts only. No, this is a BSH 8 complete. Because we got our longs in there. BSH 8 complete. I say BSH complete. Beautiful. Yes. Oh no, I hope I didn't get the COVID at that restaurant. I feel like I'm eat up something. All right, what are we doing now? I thought I had some more orders filled than that. So we sold 1. We bought 3. Oh, we harvested, y'all. Look at this. Not only did we buy those 3, let's see, BSH 8. Go put it in the little, what do you call it? So what did we buy those 5 for? Let's see. We bought those 5 for, how can I tell? Easy way to go over here. Go to ES, 58 days out. Let's see what we got those for. ES, 58 days. I could search the history of my orders, but I don't have to do that. So we bought the 5 here at $1.40, and we did it last night, 2,600. All right, let's go find us a little spreadsheet. 2,600 at $1.40. All right, so we go over here to the BSH, Black Swan Hedge. So we're going to go to the BSH and the 2,600. So what did we do? We did something. We bought the longs, didn't we? Right. So this was a short puts. Here it is. Here it is, Bob. Short puts. So we bought the longs on 8/31. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong here. How long did it take us to complete the hedge? 14 days. I like it. Isn't that great? You don't have those nakeds out there very long. And we did that for, I think, $1.40. So it cost us, well, it didn't show us. So what we got to do now is go, now this is not short puts anymore. This is a fully formed BSH. And that doesn't populate, which means I got to come over here, work, and call this one tranche. One tranche. Now, that should fill in nicely. Cost us $359. So we sold for $473. We bought the 5 for $359. Everybody see that we're doing that for a credit. Very, very sweet. And then that makes our little hedge much, much stronger. Now, not only did we do that, but we did something else. Very, very cool. We harvested some short puts. See the field order? Today at 11:30 while I was at lunch, just eating away. All right, so we bought the 3 2650s for a quarter. Let's go put those in. 2650s at a quarter. That would be 2650s, right? It'll be here. We bought the 2650s for a quarter. Yep, got to be there. All right, so this is now going to say after harvest loan puts. That's sweet how that pulls up. What was the date of our harvest? That was today, rabbit. And it took us 48 days to harvest. Our price of the harvest was 25 cents. So it only took us $42.96. So that entire trade, we sold 3, brought in $503. We purchased our loans for $459, and then it took us $42 to harvest those. So we probably had a little bit of a final P&L, $1.88, baby. You can't get any closer to break even than that. I put on a trade for $1.88. I like it a lot. So see, that makes it even stronger now. So now you and I in our little hedge ratio calculator, we've got 3 complete tranches of the Black Swan hedge. We've got 3 puts that have not been matched with the loans in the same expiration. So that gives us 9, 10, 11, 12. That gives us 12 short puts. How many long puts do we have? Y'all, we got 55 long puts. Nice, 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 nice. Crash, baby, crash, baby, crash. So let's go to the Analyze tab. Let's look at our hedge. Good Lord. I drank so much Diet Coke, I feel like I'm going to pee on myself. Right, so let's go hide simulations. We'll go all. Vol step 4. We got that up to 15%. So let's make sure we take out our, what do you call them? Our space trip trades. We just want to see how our little hedge is doing. Those are all loans, howdy loans. Y'all are good. So we lost some loans too, didn't we? So let's see. Hold on a minute. Let me go back to our little spreadsheet for a second because I need to find those loans that expired. Find those, and I'll show you how we do this. Probably that first line. So this was the after harvest puts, days to complete trade, days left in trade. Oh, look at this. See that? Days left in trade, y'all, -1. So what does that mean? That means that's gone. That means that one is out of here. So let's go back to here. See if I can remember how to do this. Let's take a little picture of this. Give me a snipper. Give me a snipper. Can y'all tell Beth cut my hair? I think it looks really nice. She would not shave my face, so I had to do that myself. All right, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, go back here. So that says -1. So I've got to now come in and show that this is closed. All right, so how do you do it? You do exit, and we'll do -1. So that was yesterday. That expired yesterday, 8/31/21. What was the debit? 0. We didn't do anything, right? We held that trade for 76 days and we lost $1,304. Y'all, it don't look that bad though, because that's what allowed us to get it going. That's what allowed us to get the party started. So since that lost, I like coloring it red. So I can say I lost money on that trade. But that's what has allowed me to do all these other trades. And now we've got all these other trades going up. So let's see if it made a difference on our hedge over here. So now those 5 are gone. So we should have 5 less in the thingy, or 20 less. How many was that? It was 4.20. So now we've got 12 shorts and we've got 23 longs. Dang it. It ain't as strong as we thought because we lost those 20 puts. Let's make sure that's what that was. Because that was 4 tranches. Yep, 4 tranches. Dang it. I lost those 20 puts. So let's see if we've even got a hedge anymore. Oh my gosh. So now we'll go back to hide simulations. We're going to take out the 10-10-7-7, which is a space trip trade that I don't want to do any more of for the time being because I like the 1-1-1. Ta-da! That looks good, y'all. Let's take out the other one, which is the 10-10-6-6, and let's see what Daddy has built. What did Daddy go to the factory to build for the children? So now, if we get a 20% move down, ta-da, we're up $72,000, and I like it a lot. Yes. All right, that's better than it was yesterday, right? Even though we lost those 20 puts, I do like. All right, so the hedge is strong. The hedge is strong. Right, what am I going to do now? What am I going to do now? All right, so let's go back to the market, see what our little market's doing. We're up still just a little bit, so we know what to do. So let's go to our, we've sold our put for the day. We're shooting fish in the barrel. So let's go to our Tastyworks account. Well, we're up there too today. Very good. I think this is an all-time high. So over here, we know we got to trade our little bitty, itty bitty, teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini, our little micros. So we're going to go close to 60 days without going over. Go down to 10% probability of being in the money. 10-10-10-10-10, said Bo Derek. Oh, she knocked the stuff back in the day. Love me some Bo Derek. All right, so there we go. And we'll try 19 1/4. See if we can get it. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we got it? Got it? Got it? Just to make everybody happy. Now we should get filled. So we bring that in. All right, so we got that. So let's go look at our positions really quick. ES. So this is just the 5. So we need to let that, how many days does that have left? 16 that we got left on that one. Cool. Here's our other ones. Oh, gee, what in the world have I got here? 3 and a 5. I need more 3s and a 5. Here's a 3. And here's a 3 and a 5. Let's see what that's going for. 25 cents. Cool. So we'll probably be able to maybe close those tomorrow, right? Close those shorts at 25 cents. See if we can close them for 20 cents today. Close. Close. I say close, dang it. Let's move that down to 20. See if we can fit it. Probably not. Let's try. Oh, wouldn't it be sweet if we did? It'd increase our buying power by $1,013. All right, we can let that run for the rest of the day. If not, we'll get filled on that tomorrow. And what else we got? Junk. So this is 58 days out. Best place to look on it, don't think, Tasty Works is to make sure. Let's see. Why don't we do this? Why don't we go to Trade tab? Well, let's just see where we got all this stuff. So right here, those are those 16-day long puts that we have that will give us 16 days of some protection. You know, as it gets closer to expiration, these things do lose their potency, you know, so nothing to do there, but let that just expire. All right, where else do we have trades? We have them here, 29 days. See, what do we got in here? 29 days. We've got a here we go. So we've got a 3 to 5. Well, hey, we can take those out when we buy them back for a quarter. Is that the one I got the order on or not? Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. Beautiful. So we can maybe close those for 20, right? So let's try to close those 12. See if we can get it for 15. I say we're going to close them. Close them. We'll try it 15. Try 15. Being the greedy sons of guns that we are. That would be sweet. Oh, that went through me like a bullet through styrofoam. That was so sweet. Let's see. So we got that off, y'all. So we harvested that. Everybody see that? Now we've got 20 puts with 29 days to go. With not a crash in sight. But if it does, we are ready. All right, so here we want to try to harvest these at 20 cents. Let's try to see if we can just put an order in to work on those for the day. And that sucks on Tasty Works because you cannot let orders go GTC. Good till cancel. Oh man, you already have a closing order. Well, why didn't you show me that over there? All right, so we got an order on that one. Okay. Would have been great to see an order. I didn't see an order. Did y'all? Maybe we did. Let's see. Maybe we did. All right. So that's 29 days. 29 days. What else we got? We got a 44-day. I've got a feeling that that is going to be a space trip trade. Yep, that's a space trip. We got anything else besides the space trip on here? See it. Right, so 44 days. Looks like we've got trades, that little dot there at 58 days. Okay, baby, be careful. Okay. So that's a space trip trade. We got else anything? Oh, look at there. We got a 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. And those are not ready to be harvested. So nothing to do there. And that was 58 days. Now let's go to 79 days. If I missed one, y'all tell me. What do we got out here? 79. 3. So we're not ready to buy those. We'll probably buy those when it's $1.35 or so. So those are unmatched. So 79 should be our last. Yep. All right, we did everything there. So let's go back to our positions tab. See if we can close any of these little micro boogers. I'm just looking over here for anything that might be 50%. That's not just a, who knows what all this garbage is. 107 days. Oh, 107 days. That's my strangle that I put on. Jeez. This is up 9%, 65%. What's that? That's a 42, 59%. There we go. At 29 days to go. See that one? See that? It's up $53.12. So we can close that one. Take a little risk off the table. Close position. And we'll try for 725. See if we can get it. Probably not. And we'll go place order. Bump that up to 750. Let it work a minute. Okay. We'll let that one work. Okay. Anything else on my positions? 50, 50, 50, 67, but that's 4. 59, that's 3. 43, that's 1. 46, 92. Hallelujah. What else over here? I think these are all like one trades. There we go. There we go. Risk off the table. Ring the register. 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. I have no idea what all that garbage is. How much days they got together? I got 16 days to figure it out, baby, what I got on. But I do know I've got positive delta, a little bit of negative vega, and positive theta. VIX is down today, isn't it? Let's see what our friend VIX is doing. VIX. Let's go back to a clean chart. Let's put in VIX. Let's draw the big gray monster for VIX. We'll see you later, alligator. And we're going to go from the bottom to the top, to the top. For the month of August, we'll right click, edit properties, get the top and the bottom in there. So the high was 1670. The high was 25. Let me make sure I'm in the right one. Probably you ain't even in the right one, you freak. All right, the high was 2474. And the low of the month of August was 15.19. I got close on that one. Oh, Lord. Help us all. We'll go. Okay, but yeah, we're going to change it to this other little tube. All right, we're getting filled on other stuff there. Look at the Fibonacci extensions. So what do? You draw from the 50% line, click left, and click another time when you get right in the center of that green. Not this way center, but this way center. What is that? Center vertical. So we're in the middle there, and we pull it down to the 100%. Beautiful. Now, what do I do? Oh, now here we go. Right click on this. I'm going to activate. It's throwing me off because it's over here. It's normally over here. So I'm going to move this 100 line down to the 200 line. Everybody see that? 100 down to the 200. Grab it, left click, bring her down, baby. Bring her down, 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 down. Then we're going to grab the 0. We're going to plop it right on top of that little red line. So grab it in that corner, left click and drag. We're going to set it down right on the top of that little red thing. Right there. And then hit the escape key, right click on this. Thank this fine extension for its service, but we don't need you to merge. Remove drawing. Now then, right click, we edit properties, and we call this August, because we use August price action to project September prices, and we set our colors to green. Beautiful. Okay. Now let's go to the volume profile and see what the VIX looks like. Profile. You won't see volume on VIX because VIX doesn't have volume. Cool, huh? So you won't have those weird little lines, but look at here, y'all. Looky dookie dookie. Where did we say it was going? Didn't we say it? Didn't we just say that we were going to 15? Dang, if we ain't almost got there. 15.68. It's gone up just a little bit, and that's coming back down. So what could I do? What could I do? We hit the low of the last 10 days today. Didn't we? Yeah, 30, 30. Yeah, we hit it today. See, crunch down a little bit. We're down 3.4%. Today is a day to put on a calendar. Let's do it in SPY. SPY. Where do we go? Remember, we were waiting for that VIX to go down a little bit. So let's go SPY. Let's go 79 days out. We're going to go to the 40% probability of being in the money. And we're going to buy. Oh, crap. What happened? we're going to go and we're going to buy. I say we're going to buy a put that is 40% probability of getting the money. There you go. That's what I'm looking at. 40%. And right on my strike. That's good. That's fine. We got a couple others layered in here, right? A couple other calendar trays. So we're going to go for the 443. Boom. We're going to buy the 443. Then we're going to go over, and we're going to cut that in half, go out to about 40 days. And we're going to sell the 443. So go out to about 40, let's see, 79. So we could go probably to 37. 37, 74, 79. That's close. Got to hold down your control key. Crap, what was the number of 473? 443. Sell the 443. Hold your control key down. So we're doing the 443, and we're doing this for a 479 debit. It is a calendar spread. Ta-da! It's going to cost me $481. We like putting these things on when the VIX goes down. So we got that working. Let's notch it up a little bit. It's a debit trade, so you're going to have to bump it up a penny or two. Natural's 483. Ta-da! We should get 4. There we go. 443. All right, so let's do this. We'll go back to our monitor. Let's name it. So we'll go SPY calendar, what, 4? Go. Right click. Right click. I'm going to move the group. Change. It didn't say add down here, so I got to go change my stupid thing. Come on, Thinkorswim, get this fixed. Application setting. Look and feel. We're going to go medium. Let's say we're going to go medium. Apply settings. Here we go. Now we can do it. Right click on this, and we're going to go SPY calendar 4. Move to group. Add group. How do we have the groups? SPY calendar. We got that taken care of. And look what it gave us. It gave us a little bit of negative delta. It gave us a little bit of positive theta. We love positive theta. And it gave us a little bit of positive vega. So if we look at our overall groups now, got to take your groups out. And let's get this back to looking very large and in charge. Feel very large. Apply settings. Settings. Oh, we got a chat over here. What are you saying? Is it the vega difference in the new 5 being added that matches the loss of 20 that expired on the black swan hash? Good Lord, short volume making me think here. Is it the vega difference in the new 5 being added? So the new 5 being added will give us positive vega, right? That matches the loss of 20 that expired on the black one. Yes, I think you're exactly right. If my mind is digesting that right, because you're going to lose some of that positive vega when those 20 come off, and you get a little more positive vega when you put the 5 on. Absolutely. What was I doing? Oh, I was looking at my grades. So we got positive delta. We've got nice positive theta. And y'all, our negative vega is way, way very controlled. Yeah, will you throw it in the trash? That's the hair that Mama cut. No, your mama cut my hair today.
Wait, can I see it with your hat off?
Yeah, you can see on my hair now. I don't have a lot of hair, but look.
What the heck?
Yeah, I know. Throw that in the trash.
It's so
Okay, throw it away.
soft.
Unbelievable. Hold on. The dang onion. Now, what were we doing? So I like our Greeks, y'all. We're positive delta. Why not? I mean, the whole market's long. Tells us we don't have a problem. 4,200 profit and loss year to date. Not too good, right? But we're doing okay. Positive theta. And we're up $300 today. What more do you want? So now let's do our last little thing that we normally do. And that is to do a broken wing butterfly in the SPX, the granddaddy of them all. So we'll click on the trade. And we're gonna go along, put butterfly.
Get away.
There
Get
we go.
away.
Now, where do I want to do it first of all? Hold on. Now, y'all leave my hair alone. Oh, it's in the 15. So we've got one here, two. Y'all leave my hair alone, y'all. Leave my hair alone. Little freaks. Unbelievable. Daddy's in session. 6. We got trades all in here, but we don't have anything in the 15 days. So here it is. We got a break. I apologize for y'all. Kids, little wild kids, but they're fine. So let's move that down to where we're going to collect about $1. Boogie, 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 boogie. Why $1? Because that's where I feel comfortable. Down there's about 95 cents. There we go. Let's try that. So we can get $1 on that. Come on. Ta-da! Activity. Right click. Replace order. And you know, we're always looking for 75 cents or more. Why 75 cents? I don't know. It's just what I like. So there they are. So I'm gonna move this over to the side because it's so much easier, y'all, to build this over here. And it gives us positive beta. Let's move it over here and let's put this trade on. So short file says just trying to figure as the line looked the same as yesterday, but added 10 more today at 29 DTE. Yeah. I think I know where you're going. Because it did kind of look the same. I thought I had a little more positive though, even today. But my profit seemed like yesterday, wasn't it like 29,000 or so? No. It's hard for me to remember. What are we doing? Okay, let's do the broken wing butterfly in this account. All right, so here we go. So we're gonna go trade. We're gonna trade the SPX. We've got our calendar in. We've got all this exciting stuff in. So what do we do? Let's see. We're gonna go out 15 days. Oh man, that's an AM expiration too. I don't like those. But I'll just have to remember to close that one out early. I don't like AM expiration. So we're gonna go to 44.95, just like we did in the other one. So much easier to do this in Tastyworks. 44.95. But hopefully y'all are getting the hang of stuff. You know, one of the things that's hard for me to remember, man, I had difficulties like doing butterflies, broken wing butterflies, calendars, and all that garbage. And then one day it clicks and you're good to go. You know what you do. So if you're a little lost and you're a little like, what in the heck was that? You'll get it. I swear. I never thought I'd get it. I thought, man, all of them I'm gonna do is trade strangles. I'm a strangle dude. And that didn't work out too good. So we're going to 44.95. Hold your control key down. We're going to sell the 90. And then we need to buy 80. Chunk. And we're going to make that 2 in the middle. And $1 credit probably won't get filled. We're going to try it. So we'll go try it for 95 cents. Bump that up just a tad. 95 cents. Get us $95 for a couple weeks work. That ain't bad. Fill, baby. Here it goes. Cha-ching. Oh, beautiful sand, the broken wing butterfly being filled on a nice summer day. All right, so now we got to go back to our monitor tab, and unfortunately, we got to make this small because they don't have this figured out. We can add all of our stuff, but we've got a million different trades on. But you notice most things are traded right around the S&P 500. That's where I feel comfortable. Y'all may feel comfortable in stocks. I like ETFs and this, you know, all this crap that I trade. So we'll go down to this. And we'll get those 3. Control. And we'll right click and move to group. And we will call this BWB puts. I need a number. BW puts 9. BW puts 10, 11, 12. Maybe this is 13. BWB puts 13. Puts 13. So what did that trade give us? Gosh, is that what it gave me? It didn't give me 348 positive deltas. Didn't give me 128 positive deltas. Didn't give me that much. Something is wrong. I think that is very, very wrong, unless I did like 800 contracts or so. Oh, I see. We didn't move all three of them there. Ah, boy.
Guess what? When I went to the neighbor's house, and guess what? They said if we wanted a new cat because they're selling one. Yes.
Oh, hell, I am not buying a damn cat. I mean, you
No,
can get a cat
they
off the.
said it's nice.
I don't care how nice it is. We got 3 cats, and all they do is crap on the floor all over
But
the place.
one died.
One died.
No, not our old cats. Lucy, no, a long time ago. Yeah, Tommy.
Go talk to your mama. Go talk, get away from me.
Mommy,
Buzz. I am not buying a cat. Who in the name of the Lord buys a cat nowadays? Don't buy cats. Unbelievable. I'm tired just thinking about it. All right, so have we done everything? Oh, I wanted to show you one more thing. Now, cool thing is that we can use our wicked little, we can use our volume profile to do some cool stuff too, right? Now, when I bring up PS, boy, look at that red line right on that. And then I go, man, I need to redraw that though, don't I? For the, let's redraw our thing in Spy. God, that looks good. Look at that. Look how that level is working, y'all. You tell me this garbage doesn't work. Tell me that doesn't work. And we had to throw it away. Look at that, the 50% line right at the point of control and volume. Oh, it hurts me to just change it, but we got to. That's the rules. We got to follow the rules. Let's see what this looks like. Let's take this stuff off. Oh, it was so pretty. Oh, it was so pretty. Remove. Let's draw a little thing again. So we'll go from the bottom ta-da, to the top. Ta-da. Right click, make sure we got it really grounded right where we want it. We want it perfect. So we click in the month of August, and our high is 453.07. 453.07. Neighbor trying to sell me a cat. Crap is wrong with them. Yeah, I'll sell you a cat, all right. The low is 436.10. My neighbors. Well, that's close, ain't it? So here we go. We got our little retracement too. And my kids are so excited. They know daddy ain't gonna buy no cat. Unbelievable. We got 3. So take that to the center. About there. And then we're gonna go down to the 100. There. Ah, my eyes is going. Let me make this big again. Application settings. Get the old folks. Yeah, magnifying glass. Look and feel. Go to extra large. Need to go that big, don't I? There we go. Praise the Lord. There we go. Unbelievable. Stretch this out a little bit. That's what I'm doing. So, let's see, what am I going to do? So I got to bring, correct me if I'm wrong, I've got to bring the 100 down to 200. So we're going to right click on this, right click, activate the draw. Pull the 100 down to the 200. Chugga, 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 chugga. I has been known to cut a little rug or two. Never watched Major Pain. Great movie. That's what that one. Oh crap! Okay, there we go. 100. So now we got to go. What do we got to do? We got to pull the 0 right here to the top before we started drawing that first little line. So we got to go create a 0. We'll place it right on top of that little red line. Timber. Get your escape key. We're going to dismiss this little line. Thank you for your service to our daily whatever. And now you've got something we can work with. Now let's go edit properties. We're going to call this. Now, you know, Blake doesn't do this. You could take a hint from old Bob here because he's all the time going, is that right? Is that just change the name, August for September. And then we're going to make sure that we change it all to green because green is the color of cash. Now, where's my dang? Application settings, that too big. Extra large, let's go to very large. Now we'll change it to green. I say, here we go. Yeah, well, yeah, here we go. Set color. I don't know what I'm doing. Set color for all. There we go. Ta-da! Now let's go back to our volume profile. See what it looks like. Volume profile. Ta-da! Didn't change much, did it? That line just went up just a little bit. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Y'all see this is a 447. All right, and the middle line is a 450. So what you could do, if you just want to play a little bit, you think, hey, we're at the top of the channel. There's a likelihood of us coming back to here and really going back to here in the next couple of days. You could do just a butterfly on about the 447 to 450. So you could go. When do we think that'll happen? Tomorrow, Friday, Monday. So let's go trade. Let's see if we can do a butterfly. We've never done a butterfly together. I feel like I make cry. I make squall. Let's do this. Let's get over here first. I say let's do it over here. All right, so we're gonna go. Let's do butterfly. Spy. How many days out? So if we said it was going to do it by Monday, let's see where we at. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 or 6 days. If we did 1 to 6 days, and we said we have a feeling that price is going where? We have a feeling the price is going to that 450 or the 447. So you could come over here at 450, 447. And you could go, let's do a long put butterfly. But this time, we're not going to split the leg. So we're just going to put on a butterfly. So let's go down to 450. We said would be right. Look at that. You can buy that for, isn't that cool? You buy that for 4 cents, y'all. Maximum profits, $95 if it hits. It's kind of cool, right? What happens if you move it down to the 447 where we said it might actually go? Ta-da! Buy that thing for 3 cents, y'all. Now, some other things you could do is you could split that up there. You could split that up there. Put it on for about a 10-cent debit, and that increases your profit to be 190. Put that on for about a 10-cent debit, $10 for a lottery play of 190. I mean, I wouldn't do these often, but when you see something like this, and you go, well, I mean, I got a feeling we're going there. That's the point of control, bub. Wouldn't be unreasonable, would it? You know, take a little shot. Let's do that. Let's go. I'm going to put a spy calendar on. 12-cent debit. Let's see if we can feel. Ta-da! Butterfly. Now that is a pure butterfly. So it looks like we may have to penny it up a little bit. Replace order. 13 cents. These are debit trades, right? Give me a beep. Give me a beep, 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 beep. No. Jack Sport. I ain't going above 15 cents, you stupid thing. Now the question is, do I want one in the other account?
Daddy, got you this. Got you this.
Oh boy, you got me some candy. Thank you, baby. Kool-Aid. I like that guy. He runs through the walls. All right, so I'm gonna move this over to the side.
It's candy kind.
And let's do this little, let's just do it in the other account too. We're taking a shot, y'all. We don't do this often. But since we're just drawing brand new, you know, little thingies, let's do it. So we'll go to SPY. We're gonna go to 6 days out, I think. Because you really want the price to go there toward the end. If it goes there too soon, you don't make the money. So you want it to kind of be at that strike at expiration for a butterfly. So we did the 449. We're going to buy the 449. Buy. And we're going to sell 2 of the 447s. Hold your control key down. Here. Control key down. Then we're going to hold control key down, continue, and go down to the 445. And we're going to buy that one. Then we need to make that middle one 2. inch that up to about, let's see what we feel for 13. Okay, let's block. Let's go for 14. Let's inch him up. Inch him ever so uply. Ta-da! Now, we can't call this a BWB because it's not a broken wing butterfly. So let's go back here. Let's go back to our little shingabadig here. And y'all know we're going to have to turn change the size here, I believe. It's look and feel the medium. So we get everything on here because we got so many trades. I feel like Tom Shoshnoff, as Beth would say. So we're going to go, we're going to grab this. 1, 2, 1. So hit your control key, control. Right click and move to group, add group. What do we call this? Just a regular butterfly? Regular butterfly 1. We don't do them often, but we did today. You know, and you're taking, you know, it is a low probability trade. The only thing that in my mind makes this a high probability trade is this. I have a stinking suspicion, now y'all correct me if I'm wrong, that price is going to touch the 450. And I think there is a greater than, 50% chance that we go back to the 447 based on what I'm seeing on this chart. Do I know that? No, but I'm willing to, put a $14 bet on that happening. Yeah. I don't normally do low probability trades, but I trust the big green monster. And it would be really, really cool to get $190 profit, right? Or to get any profit as this price starts going down. Oh my Lord, what did I do? Jeez Louise. Not like that at all. Let's change that. All right, questions, comments. I apologize for being late. Also, make sure you know that Friday has become lunch day with the missus. Beth and I are going to be going to we may even go to Longhorn tomorrow and eat Flo's filet. I may even get the big one. And I hope they got their corn on the cob. Whew, hallelujah, glory to God. Stuff is good. Any questions at all? Well, y'all are quiet. Rod, how you doing? Rod, you doing good?
Doing good.
Dwayne's good. Stacy, you good? Stacy's probably day trading again. Hey, Stacy, how much do you make day trading? Y'all, I'm gonna brag a little bit. Stacy, guess how much I made day trading yesterday? Rod, guess how much I made yesterday? Remember when I put on that day trade? Y'all gonna be jealous. I made $15. Huh? That gets you some toilet paper. It's Dollar General, right? Nice. All right. I appreciate all of you. I will see y'all tomorrow, 2 o'clock.